Hi, so here's the backend of your website. You can switch from backend to front end from here. Okay, so to edit the contents, you can. There's two options. One is the front end builder, another is the backend builder. Now, I, the front end builder is a bit easier, and the backend builder is a bit complicated. But sometimes backend builder is also needed. So I will show you both of them. Let's start with the front end builder. You can click on this enable visual builder. You can go to each pages and you can see when you are logged in, you can see the option on every pages. Okay, so um, you can see there are these options we have. So let me edit this one. So I will go to this module settings, and then you can see these texts here. So this is the title and this is the description. Now these contents are rightly texted. Now you can make this word bold. You can see this is happening, and then italic if you want, and then you can make the alignments to the center align or left align or right align or justify like that. And then, so if you want to make this section button, uh, make this section clickable, then clickable to a link, then you can paste the link here. And on the design part, you can see the text color is no, not this is the call to action. Okay, the title text, sorry. You can see these title text and these fonts. I can see to change the fonts like this, like this. Okay, so this is the Montserrat font I'm using. Okay, and then the font weight, the alt light or bold like that, and these font styles, any other styles. And the text size for desktop, tablet, and um, smartphone. You can optimize the text color and the letter spacing. If you want to add the shadow, you can add from here. And then this the body text. The body text form is also font is also Montserrat, and this font weight is regular. And the color, okay, okay, I post the color. Just remove this one. Okay, so the body text, and then the color, you can change the color from here to black or 444, which is uh, not bold but not black but blackish type. And if you want, if you have any buttons, then you can customize these buttons. Okay, now this is these sections. You can same edit like this. You can drag and drop to these positions like this. Okay, so if I wanted to move it from here to here, you can just drag it, drop. Now if you add this gear icon, you can see the text is executive and leadership and these sections. Now the links, see, if I want to add a link to this section, you just double click on it and then click on this link button, and which URL you want to add the link. Like for example, if you want it is to your about page, then you can just type in your about page URL like this, and text to display, which is organization. But other than that, everything is fine. Then this is a, now this is a link right now. Okay, you can see this is a link. Same I have done for the see more section. Click on this link and see the link. Okay, once it's done, click on this right symbol. Now if you want this whole section to be linked to another section, like for example if the whole section to be linked, okay, then you can say click add this link to here. Images and icon, you can change it from various icons. You can see this changing instantly. Okay, and then background, if you want to add any background color to that, go to the design part and you can see the icon color, circle icon, icon placement left or top, like that, and then the texts. You can see all of these things are normal. If you this shadow option, I have added this like this. Okay, you can see the shadows are now been changing. Okay, you can change the shadows, and then there is the shadow other options for the shadow. Okay, so it is the button. Now anchor button link to this contact page. This should be staging. Okay, this is like this. Now if you want to add another button, you can see I hit this plus icon. Okay, so okay, hit this plus icon, and then you can see there are multiple options here. I will add the button, and then this is the button's text, for example contact me. Okay, you can see this default animation. Now which links, like for example just hash, don't want the link right now. And then alignment, button alignment to the left, to the center, to the right, to the center. And the total text color, this doesn't matter right now properly. And the spacing, box shadow, okay, like this, and shadow color. 1 second, check one thing. Okay, here's the color you can change. On the design part, there is um, custom size activate, and then this is this color you can change. The color codes are for your website. This is this the color code. Like for example, if you see change, if you want to change the color, all the colors have their specific color codes. You can see this orange color is FF9900. You may need it in future. Okay, this is the same. You can edit from here though. You can, uh, or you can edit from here. In the title and this description and the animation. Okay, this is the design part, and you can see this animation. This is the slide, and the slide animation direction to up. You can see all this option. Let's make it a fade or slide, or fade is good. You can change the images from these settings and then upload the images. Okay, now this is the image. I have added some box bit shadow. You can add this shadow from here. And this is this shadow option. Okay. Okay, so if you want to change this social icons and this copyright section, you So I'm going to one more thing. Once you're done, hit this save to make it take effect. I'll exit the visual window without saving. Okay. Okay. One thing. This is the footer section I want to change right now. So I will go to this theme customizer. Okay. This is the footer. There's a footer option here. You can see the bottom bar, and this is the copyright contexts. You can see all these customizers font size. If you want to make enlarge the size of the font, you can add custom if you want. The social icon size. Okay. I have disabled the footer. I don't think you need it. Okay. This is the footer option. Now one more thing, like the menu, changing the menu items. Okay. Once you're done, hit publish. So I'll go to the dashboard again, and then I go to appearance and then menus. You can see all these menus are here, menu items. You can add the lists from these existing pages, or if you want to add a custom page, you can add from here. Like for example, I want to like a Google page, www.google.com, and then the text will be Google. Add to menu. I've added this to menu, and I can drag and drop to the position, or I want to make it a submenu or a sub menu. And once you're done, hit the save menu. One more thing is this theme option. You see these are the various types of options this theme offers. Okay, you want to change this logo, you can change this logo and the favicon, sorry. You can say all these other stuffs. Okay, so one more thing I want to show you. This is Facebook and the social media icons. So you can see these the icons, and you can see on the dashboard you can see TV under theme option. You can see this in the general, the Facebook profile URL, and the Twitter, Google. I have pasted a hash on that RSS. Now if you want specific, if you do not want just make it empty, then hit save. It will be gone, and you have if you have your social icons, social pages, and then you can add it from here. And the other thing is the SEO. Now you can go to, if you go to this edit page, now this is your backend builder. Okay, you can see this is the backend builder. I can, you don't properly understand, I can, let me show you. I can see these three triple bars. You can see all this text under here, and this all this. So I'll prefer to use the front-end builder for editing these contents, and for the